Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you what is the best setting for Squad Buster on mobile for the best performance. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open Squad Buster and tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Alright, so to enhance your gaming experience, consider the following adjustment. Alright, so here's how. Disable haptic feedback. Turning off vibration can reduce device strain and improve performance. So if the toggle is on, just turn it off. So another thing is to adjust audio settings. Lowering in-game music and sound effect can free up system resources. Use the music and sounds option in the settings to control your audio level. And most importantly, extended gameplay can cause your device to heat up, leading to performance issues. So, the best thing to do is take regular breaks to prevent overheating. Alright, so got it? And that's it. Now you know how to optimize your settings in Squad Buster for a smoother experience. If you have any issues or additional tips, let us know. Thanks for watching and take care.